All right, guys, 2A. We are still finding the average rate of change, which still means slope, which means we need coordinates. However, this time we've been given a table. So if I want to find the average rate of change when from x is -3 to x is 1, I have to look at this. Now remember, these are x's. So x is -3, that's this right here, to x equals 1, that's this point right here. So the coordinates I'm dealing with are -3, 7, and the coordinate 1, 3. Now that I have my two coordinates, I'm just going to do my slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x1 is a -3, so when I subtract a negative, that becomes a positive, so that becomes +3. 3 minus 7, that gives me -4 over 4, which equals -1. So that's my answer to 2A. You try 2B on your own. Let's go to number 3. F of x is given in the graph below. Find its average rate of change. That still means slope. If I'm finding the slope, then I need two coordinates between the following points. So here's what we have to look at. When x is -6, on my graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's this point right here. That is the coordinate -6, 1. Now when x is 4, on my graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, I'm right here. That is the point 4, 3. So I'm still getting two coordinates, only instead of getting them from an equation or a table, I'm getting them from my graph. My slope, y2 minus y1, so 3 minus 1 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus -6. 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 plus 6 is 10, so that means my slope is 1/5. You need to reduce that. If you were on your calculator and you were reducing this on your calculator, you just do 2 divided by 10 equals, you get the decimal. Hit your math button, hit enter, and hit enter again. It's going to take that answer and turn it into a fraction. That's 1/5. That's how you can always get a reduced fraction on your calculator. All right, try 3B on your own.